Okay, so next question. Top five short-term trades for April, potential 10x's. Well, I mean, I would say for top five, just go to token metrics, right? So we have the quant grade, which goes through, I would probably just go through, let's take a look here. So for April, if we go to the ratings page, and if we switch to trader and go to monthly, it will go through and find projects it likes for the next month. Now, however, these aren't really 10x projects. I feel like for 10x's, you have to get into something super micro cap or basically do those IDOs. But those are really just pump and dumps. If you're looking for actual trades, 10x's are not really realistic in my opinion, unless maybe you're using leverage, which I personally avoid. But our quant grade still likes Terra. But the rest are just basically stable coins, right? And then Bitcoin. Maybe the DeFi Pulse Index, but the grades are pretty low versus where they've relatively been. Forrest, do you have any top 10 or top 5 trades you're looking at this month?
Not in this short of a time frame. I did take a trade, I guess, in late March, the timing of it. I mean, if you just say, if you section off to just April, not really, not particularly any reason, just particularly for April, but I did take a long position in Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Polkadot recently. My Ethereum long was at $1,600. My Bitcoin long was at 53,750. Because those were key levels. And then my Polkadot long was because I felt like Polkadot was undervalued against Kusama. Kusama diverged and went on a big rally due to some of the news in the Kusama Polkadot sphere, where parachain auctions are coming up quickly for Kusama. And Kusama rallied really, really high. Polkadot had just kind of gone sideways, even dipped a little. I just thought that Polkadot was due for a rally, and it's been up. It's been pumping a little bit, but those were my 3 most recent trades that I'm actually still in. I'm still long on those.
All right, Bill, do you have any trades you like for this month?
You know what I want this month? I want the DYDX token.
Yeah.
I want to get on that exchange. They've got what looks like leverage for American traders. So if we're talking about ETH going much higher, I'm actually looking at, possibly using Celsius, to get extra DAI so I can get over to DYDX, possibly get a levered long ETH. In other words, if ETH starts rising, I can possibly get, add leverage and then possibly do enough trading to get the DYDX token when it happens. Because I think in terms of the ignition of this whole space, like Perp or Siren or D-Hedge or any of these like really smaller plays that we're looking at. I mean, Perp hit Binance, but this whole like future of trading, future of Wall Street, what's the whole space worth? I think has got a lot of room to expand, right? It's kind of like my version of what Forrest was talking about with like decentralized content. The cryptoverse is going to come knocking on Wall Street's door as a part of Web3. So, I want the Easter Bunny to bring me DYDX.
All right, thank you, Bill. Yeah, I mean, I'm not really a trader myself, so I don't really have any short-term trades because everything to me is long-term. So I'm not really the best person to help answer that question. So I would just use token metrics. Okay, all right. Thank you for that question.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.